Hi, good morning. I had a really good night's sleep, but I'm still a bit tired, and I just wanted to document a little bit about how I'm going to be spending this August at home, because I'm leaving in the next 2 months, which is October. Hopefully get some good content, because the rain's really been bad and the weather's so gloomy and I don't function really well. So yeah, let me take you a little bit through my day. These are the moments I feel I am so grateful to be a designer and an artist, and it's just so fun to see your work come to life. But yeah, just a little midday update.